Hello mga kagala, nandito tayo sa Palawan Wildlife Rescue Conservation Center sa Barangay Irawan. Tour tayo dito sa Crocodile Farm. So, unang gagawin nyo po pagkadating ninyo, bilhin na kayo agad ng ticket dito sa kanilang booth. 40 pesos yung kanilang ticket, 100 pesos kung may kasamang paghawak ng crocodile nandito. So every 30 minutes may batch na nagtutour. So pagdating nyo, bili na kayo ng ticket para mabilis kayo makapag-tour dito sa Crocodile Farm.
We also vacant here, you can also register po. You can go inside. Okay po, so everyone, so let's start na po. So we'll have a short briefing before we go to the live crocodile. Mabuhay and good afternoon. So welcome here to Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. So by the way, my name is Anna and I'll be your in-house guide. So before we go to the live crocodiles, I am going to give you some information about this crocodile. And this is Rio, R-I-O, came from Rio Tuba River, Batarasa, that is in the south of Palawan. So this crocodile was purposely captured. He accidentally attacked a native fisherman from the area. It was confirmed he swallowed the right leg of the victim. So Rio was captured on August 4, 1990, but after 5 months of captivity, he died because of internal bleeding and stress related to transportation. So for the skin, it has no commercial value anymore. The one being used for making leather bag, shoes, wallets are made from the skin of the young crocodile, which is 3 to 5 years old only. So Rio is estimated 60 years old, so skin now, it is too hard and very dry for the machine to be processed. And before, this crocodile, Rio has the record of being the largest crocodile only here in the Philippines. But Lolong, the crocodile, he was once recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest crocodile. Rio has a length of around 5 meters and Lolong is around 6 meters. So halos 1 metro po yung hinaba ni Lolong dito sa crocodile. So Lolong was captured in 2011 in Agusan del Sur in Mindanao. So hindi po siya pinadala dito sa Palawan. Last February 10, 2013, Lolong also died. So now, the skeleton po is in the National Museum in Manila. So doon na po naka-display si Lolong. So clarify ko lang, we are not a supplier of crocodile products. We don't supply crocodile meat or crocodile skin. We are a special project of DNR to conserve and to rescue wildlife animals here in the province of Palawan. So those crocodile products came from Teresa Rizal, others are from Davao. So all of the crocodile products are made from saltwater crocodile. So there are 24 species of crocodile sa buong mundo po yun. And here in the Philippines, we have 2 species of crocodile. So the first one, we have the Indo-Pacific or saltwater crocodile. Rio and Lolong are both saltwater crocodile. And the other one po ay Philippine crocodile or freshwater crocodile, and that is endemic only in the Philippines. So those Philippine crocodile, they have a lined black spot, especially on the tail side. Pa-stripe po yung spot nila. While saltwater crocodiles, they have the scattered black spot all over the body. Malapol ka that's putting na yung spot po ng saltwater crocodile. Our next station, live crocodiles. You can take a picture. Just turn off the flash of your camera and don't tap the tongues of the baby crocodile. Huwag magpapatong na mga kamay sa mga tangke ng mga baby crocodiles. They can jump and bite. Kaya po nilang makaputol ng daliri. And to all of the animal enclosure, also a reminder, maintain at least 1 meter away to avoid any accident. So pwede bumalik mamaya dito para makapag-picture. For now, let's go dito po tayo sa our next station, live crocodile. So we also have trivia and information about po sa mga crocodiles. If you want to read them, you can come back later. So by the way po, that building is our incubation area. So this is where we incubate the eggs of the crocodiles, and it takes 3 months, mga 90 days po yan before the crocodile eggs will hatch. So dito naman po sa building po na ito, you will see baby crocodiles, and they are from 1 up to 3 years old. So by the way po, we also have a crocodile holding for those who wants to avail. Pwede kayo makapagpa-picture, hawak po yung baby crocodile. Sa photo booth po yun sa may entrance area. So payment for the crocodile holding is 60 pesos per person. Ano siya po using your camera. So optional po yun siya. Nakatape yung mouth ng crocodile. Safe to hold naman po yun. And then we feed them, especially yung mga malalaking crocodile, we feed them once or twice a week only. Not every day. They have a slow metabolism and they are carnivorous, so we feed them pork, mga chicken, beef, and fish. 5 kilograms per feeding hanggang 10 kilograms per the whole week na po yun siya. So mabagal po yung kanilang metabolism. Even without eating, from 6 months to 1 year, they can survive. So okay, so let's go po dito sa next station natin. Baby crocodiles, you can go inside na po. So again po, baby crocodiles, 1 up to 3 years old po yung mga nandyan. May mga label naman po yung bawat lalagyan kung anong species po ng crocodile. Water crocodile po is nasa 40 to 80. Kapag nasa wild, mas maliit lang po yung survival rate po nila. Pero umabot ng 10 to 25%, so more or less po yun. And then sa mga incubator naman, 80 to 90% naman po yung survival rate po. Okay, so everyone, so let's go to our next station sa big crocodiles na po. So, yung mga crocodiles po na yan, kinakonserve po namin sila. Especially, kaunti na lang po ang bilang ng mga crocodiles po sa wild. So, kung magkakaroon po ng available sanctuary or mga protected areas, pwede po namin ma-release yung ibang mga Philippine crocodiles. So, aside from conserving crocodiles, we also have rescued bird. Meron pong red-vented kakatu, local name, katala. Palawan talking myna or kiyaw, Palawan hornbill or kalaw, and blue nape parrot, or tikoy. So they were confiscated from illegal traders and domesticated na po sila nung dinala. Hindi na kayang mag-survive on their own, so hindi na marunong maghanap ng sarili po nilang pagkain. So we have to take care of them now here. So dito po sa big crocodiles, ingatan yung gamit na huwag mahulog and huwag po silang ipoprovoke. Yung mga ibon, pag may oras pa po kayo, pwede nyo pong balikan. So for now, let's go po dito sa big crocodile. May mga pangalan naman po yan sila. So ito po yung mga information about po sa crocodile. So yung unang crocodile po dito sa right side sa Aklan, from the province of Aklan, estimated na sa 65 to 70 years old, and that is male saltwater crocodile. Sa left side, ito naman po si Mar from Marabahay, from south of Palawan, estimated na sa 35 to 40 years old, male po yan siya, saltwater crocodile. So, na-estimate lang po namin yung edad po nila sa haba lang po ng crocodile. Captured po sila from the wild. So, dito naman po sa Pilben, this one is the longest among all of the crocodiles here. Siya po yung pinakamahaba and his name is Makmak. Came from Macarascas, the Sandy Hill, in Puerto Princesa. Estimated na sa 70 to 80 years old, almost the same length na po yun siya kay Rio, yung crocodile po na nasa labi. Si Makmak po ay nasa 17 feet, male saltwater crocodile. So, dati po namin silang mga breeders, pero ngayon po non-reproductive na. So, nandito po yung mga crocodiles po na yan for educational purposes. So, simula 8 hanggang 12 years old, pwede na po silang makapag-produce po ng egg. 20 to 40 years naman ang kanilang reproductive lives. So, again po, isang beses lang po yun sila mangitlog, sa loob na po yun siya ng isang taon. So, dito naman po sa panglimang pen, sila naman po ay mga 5 to 7 years old na mga Philippine crocodiles. Freshwater crocodile po yun, naka-align po yung spot po nila. So, Philippine crocodile po are less aggressive kumpara po sa mga saltwater crocodile. Aatak lang sila kapag nasaktan or na-provoke. Unlike po sa mga saltwater crocodile, very territorial. So, during breeding season po, mas natural po na mas agresibo po sila. Pinoprotektahan nila yung egg and then yung kanilang mga anak, inaalagaan pa po nila. Hindi sila masyadong gumagalaw. Crocodile po are nocturnal, more active at night. During daytime, nagpapahinga po yan sila. So, ito naman po mga around 5 years old na mga saltwater crocodile. So, halos ganyan po kalalaki yung mga ginagamit po nila sa paggawa po ng kanilang mga leather products. Around 3 to 5 years old. So, naka-open po yung mouth nila, not because they are waiting for food. Nagpapalamig lang po yan. Hindi po sila nagugutom. Wala po silang sweat gland. 2 hours po yan, naka-open yung mouth ng crocodile para makapagpalamig. Hindi po sila pinagpapawisan. So, sa kapag nasa ilalim po yan sila ng tubig, sa yung mga adult crocodile, kaya po nila mag-stay 2 hours underwater. Yung mga batang crocodile naman, up to 1 hour ang kayang itagal underwater. Without breathing po, they cannot breathe under the water. So, ito po si Pau B, 20 to 25 years old. Lalaki po yan na saltwater crocodile. So, yung mga saltwater crocodile, kaya nila mag-survive both sa dagat saka sa tubig tabang. Pero ang Philippine crocodile, sa mga tubig tabang lang kayang mag-survive. Katulad din po niya ni Pinay, yan po ay babae po na Philippine crocodile, 10 to 15 years old po yan siya. So, Philippine crocodile po is one of the smallest crocodile. Maximum length po ng Philippine crocodile is only up to 3 meters, while saltwater crocodile po, they can grow up to 7 meters. and they are able to live, especially saltwater crocodiles. They can live up to 100 years po yan. Yes po.
Rio.
Si Rio po yun nasa labi po. 1750 yun siya. Mga karne po sa kaisda po yung kinakain nila. Once or twice a week po. Once or twice a week, then 5 kilograms per feeding po yung binibigay
1 to
namin.
twice a week ay
Apo. Sa total body weight po ng crocodile, 1 to 2% po ng dami ng pagkain yung kaya po nilang i-consume. So hindi talaga isang buong malaking hayop yung kaya nilang kainin po. Maliit na portion lang po.
kahit hindi sila kumain 1 year, mabubuhay sila, sabi mo, di ba?
Yes po, 6 months to 1 year without eating. Thank you, right side po, self-guided tour. Sa nature park po, mga ibon and mammals yung makikita. Sa reptile house po, may mga snakes. Doon po yung mga pagong and baboy ramo. Exit, dito na po sa left side. Yung crocodile holding photo booth nasa may entrance area po. Thank you. So, hindi po sila masyadong gumagalaw po, nocturnal po yan sila. More active sa gabi. During daytime, nagpapahinga lang po ang crocodile.
So dyan po nagtatapos yung tour ng Crocodile Farm. Dito meron silang nature park. Dito po ay self-guided tour na. Kayo na po yung mag-iikot. May mga wildlife dyan sa loob. Mga Palawan bearcat. Ito baboy ramo. Bearded pig. Yan yung kanilang bearded pig. Dito naman yung kanilang reptile house. May mga ahas dito, sawa, Burmese python, Philippine reticulated python, ayun. So mga iba't ibang klase ng ahas. Meron din silang mga Asian box turtle. So mga reptile dito nakalagay. Then doon naman sa kabila, diyan sa kanilang nature park, may mga ibon, kakatu, Palawan bearcat. Marami pang mga buhay ilang kayo makikita diyan sa loob.